Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, a place where you can find unboxing, product review, haul, home decor and more. Today I have an unboxing for you and you're gonna see some items that I got from the Jo Malone line and from the Dior line Capture Totale. Totally. I had this item at 50% off at Nordstrom and at Macy's. They had a deal right now, and I took advantage of that and I got a few stuff. I'm gonna start with the Macy's purchase and I'm gonna show you what I got from there. Right now, here, this is the bags, and I got this Capture Total Cell Energy right here. This is the High Performer Gentle Cleanser. This is the cleanser that I got from there. I really want to try this one. I have one from Chanel which I adore. I love that cleanser. I got one from Neutrogena which I love too. This one right now is from Dior, and let's see how this one gonna work. I have good hope from it. For it, this one is 5 ounces, 150 milligrams. This is one. Next, I got a Capture Youth. This one right here is a serum, age delay illuminant serum from Dior. And like you can see this mark right here, that is the dark, like brownish, dark brownish. It's a whole line of them. This is 30 milligrams, which is 30 milligrams. Yeah. They all come in different kind. Identify like color is one in like yellow, pink, dark brown, green, but white. They all have the specific benefit. So whatever you think your skin needs or you would like to apply in your skin, that's the one that you get. So for me, I have other few serums and I decide to get this one. You can see right here is the dark brown, and this one is more for like illuminate serum for illumination, and it's like orange. It's like some citrus there, so it's a glow buster. Capture Youth right here. So this is unboxing. I'm gonna use it for a little bit and then I'm gonna give you guys a review about this, what I think. This is the product. I'm very excited about it, so let's see how this one gonna work. This is my purchase from Nordstrom. It's the Jo Malone product. I'm gonna show you guys what I got right here. Something that I don't have, so you can check right here or in the link down below. I'm gonna let you some of other video related with Jo Malone product on there, just in case you are interested in watching them. So let me see. This is one box. I have 2 little packs of this one. Okay, something. This is how it comes right here, which I don't like it. I don't like it because it's a Jo Malone product. It's a little bit pricey and it should come in the Jo Malone bags with all the bells and whistles, right? But this is how they send it. So this is how it comes wrapped out. Thankfully, it's arriving in good condition. Ooh, this is big. I wasn't expecting be so big. This is the famous Jo Malone Lime and Basil and Mandarin room spray. I'm very excited about it. I love lime and basil mandarin. I have everything possible except the perfume, the cologne and lotion, because I love that smell just for the house. So I don't have, that's the only item I don't have. But I'm very excited about this one. This is very popular. I went to the website, I put one in my cart, then I decided to put two in my cart, but right away, like in like 2 seconds. I went to put the second one and they say it was sold out. So I decided to purchase right away the one that I have in my cart, making sure somebody get it and they eliminate from my cart. But no, I purchased it right away, and I was lucky enough to at least get one of these. But I tried to get another one and was impossible. They were sold out right away. But I got this one. And this is the second box from Nordstrom. This is how it can. Oh, you see, look. It's the Jo Malone box right there. So this one comes in a Jo Malone box, but not the big glass room spray. Who knows? Okay, I got a little bag with the gift set. They give a gift set for the purchase of the Jo Malone. Let me see what is here. I'm gonna show you what I have here. Sometimes I have, oh, she's dry. Sometimes they give you the same thing all the time, but it depends what they have at that moment. So let's see. I have a lot of this one. Let's see what I got here. Wood Sage and Sea Salt body wash. Peony and Blush Suede spray cologne. And English Pear and Fresha body lotion. I have. So this is the one that I got for free, like as a gift. And this is the other purchase from Nordstrom. And let's see. What it is. Ooh. Wow, this is pretty big. So this is the Peony and Blush Suede Bath Oil. I really want to try this. I don't have any bath oil from this brand. I have other stuff, but I don't have bath oil, and I really love to use bath oil. This is a 8.5 flat ounce, 250 milligrams, so it's pretty big. You can see right here, it's pretty big. So I'm really happy about this. I'm glad that I got it. 15. Oh, it smells so good. Where it says bath oil, I don't know, I think you can put it on your body, or you can put a little bit on the bath when you're gonna get a bath. Drop of oil. So I'm very excited about this one. I love it. I did order another one from Lime Basil Mandarin from Macy's, but I haven't gotten that. Haven't got that yet. So as soon as I get it, I'm gonna make a video so you guys can see. That's gonna be my first time using the oil too from Lime and Basil Mandarin. But this one is very pretty. Smell pretty. Smell very good. Yeah, very good. I think I still have this one. Yeah. So this is all, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini unboxing. I just want to show you guys, just in case you are interested in anything of this. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to smile, because you are beautiful. Bye.